Hello everyone, welcome to Enable channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable auto rotate or landscape mode in Realme 8 or Realme 8 5G. So before starting video, if you are first time in channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to enable auto rotate or landscape mode in Realme 8 or Realme 8 5G, first of all you just need to go to settings. So simply just go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.